Before starting the video, let me just wrap up how you can get the maximum discount on Hostinger. Take a look right here. I am on the Hostinger checkout screen. I clicked on Have a Coupon Code, pasted my code, and hit Apply. That single coupon code just shaved $62 right off the total. If you want to get this exact discount, click the link down in the video description. It will bring you directly to this page, where you will find the newest active coupon codes for Hostinger. Just hit the copy button, and you will be taken straight to Hostinger's official site. It works on any kind of plan. Just select your plan and paste the code at checkout. Now let's talk about what is shared hosting. Think of shared hosting like a cruise ship carrying multiple travelers, where each private cabin represents a different website sharing the ship's main power and resources. It is built specifically for bloggers, WordPress users, small businesses, and anyone taking their first steps online. You get Lightspeed-powered web servers for blazing page loads, fast SSD storage, and the intuitive H panel that lets you manage your emails, domains, and files effortlessly. On top of that, you get free SSL security, automatic backups, and a one-click WordPress installer that saves you hours of technical work. Their 24/7 customer support is always ready to help whenever you run into any issues. It gives you the perfect balance of top-tier performance and extreme affordability without any steep learning curve. Whether you choose single, premium, or business shared hosting, it gives you everything you need to launch smoothly. If you want to get the best discount, check the link in the description.